Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to control the volume on your JBL Tune Beam earbuds. So, in order to do that, open up your JBL headphones application, wait for it to open up, choose your device, let it connect with your device. Now you're good to go. Go to your gestures section, click here. Now choose the headphone you want to adjust, like left on the right one. Now, click on your customized gesture tab. Here you can choose from one of the settings. For this one, we will need a volume control. From now, let's take one of the headphones, left to be exact. From now, a single tap will increase the sound. So, as you see, we're tapping it single, the sound increases, and if we are making a double tap, it lowers down. So, I hope this was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.